Reproduction system, reproduction, biological process by which new individuals are produced. Human reproduction, sexual internal fertilization, baby porous, gonads, testes male and ovaries female, gamete sperm N23 and ovum N23, zygote diploid 2 N46. Sex determination, XX female, XY male, SRY gene on Y chromosome determine maleness. Sexual dimorphism, external difference between male and female. Parthenogenesis, development without fertilization. Artificial insemination, semen inserted in uterus. IVF, test tube baby, fertilization outside body. Male reproduction system, primary sex organ testes. Location scrotum, 2.5 degrees centigrade below body temperature. Covering of testes, tunica albuginea. Site of sperm formation, seminiferous tubules. Start of spermatogenesis, 12 से 15 ईयर प्यूबर्टी. Spermatocyte produce 4 sperm. Hormone for secondary character, testosterone. Accessory gland, seminal vesicle, prostate gland, bulbourethral gland. Semen, sperm plus seminal plasma. Semen pH 7.2 से 8.0 alkaline. Sperm survival in female tract 2 से 3 days. Male fertilization, vasectomy, prostate enlargement after 50, urinary blockage. Structure of sperm, head, nucleus plus acrosome, enzyme for fertilization. Enzyme for middle piece, mitochondria, energy, tail, motility, female reproduction system, primary sex organ, ovary, hormone for secondary character, estrogen, pregnancy hormone, progesterone, ovulation trigger, LH search, fertilization site, ampulla of fallopian tube, implantation site, endometrium of uterus, erectile organ, clitoris, Montgomery gland location, breast, outermost coital membrane, chorion. Amnion, female sterilization, tubectomy, menstrual cycle 28 days average, menstrual phase day 1 से 5, follicular phase day 1 से 13, FS dominant, ovulation day 14, LH search, luteal phase day 15 से 28, progesterone dominant, cycle regulation, hypothalamus pituitary gland, FSH follicle development, LH ovulation and corpus luteum formation. Corpus luteum secretes progesterone. If no fertilization, corpus luteum degenerate and menstruation. Hormone GnRH secreted hypothalamus, FSH or LH secreted by anterior pituitary. Estrogen in endometrial growth, progesterone maintain pregnancy, prolactin milk production, oxytocin milk ejection and uterine contraction, relaxation from corpus luteum and placenta, widen cervix. HCG maintain corpus luteum in every early pregnancy. Important fact, largest human cell, ovum. Smallest human cell, sperm. Monozygotic twins from single zygote. Conjoined twins, incomplete separation. Placenta function, nutrition, respiration, excretion, hormone secretion. Chromosomal disorder, Turner XO, Klinefelter XXY, amenorrhea, absence of menstruation, ectopic pregnancy, implantation outside uterus, endometriosis, endometrial tissue outside uterus, infertility, failure to conceive after 1 year.